Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the very reason why you're losing your accounts. So if you've lost any accounts this week or in the past, like last week or something, then make sure you stay tuned for this video because I'm going to tell you exactly what my customers have told me when it comes to why individual companies are losing cleaning accounts. You ready? Okay. This is the main reason why. The main reason is because you have no business systems in place when it comes to cleaning. You're scattered, you're all everywhere. You don't have any systems in place, so you're doing it and you're doing it differently every time. And what exactly does that mean? That means that each and every account that you have, or when you're not there, your employees are winging it, or you're having to be there all the time, or you're burnt out. But either way, there's no system in place. And with no system in place, you're not going to make the profits you need. And without making the profits, you're never going to be able to hire anyone and put the business and scale the business to 6 figures like you're looking so forward to doing. So what do you need to do right away? Right away, you need to implement business systems. You need to take out a piece of paper or at your computer, and you want to write down step by step by step the procedures for who opens the business, who does the cleaning, who does the marketing, who does the sales, how do you do the training. If you are the owner and your name is next to each one of those categories, you're the one that answers the phone, you're the one that does the training, you're the one that does everything in the business. You have a job, not a business. And if anything happens, you are out of luck. So you want to start making sure you set up systems, write everything down that needs to be done first. Then set up a system for sales and marketing, very important. Once you get more, of the money in, you'll then be able to hire more people. So you want to make sure that you have systems in place for your business. When you have systems in place, everything else runs effortlessly. It does take a minute to get them in place, and it does take a little energy and effort. My 2 favorite things, E and E. If you want to learn all about setting up business systems, then guess what? You can reach out to us at 407-986-8228, or I'd love to see you in our free masterclass where I talk about the 3 pillars that I just live by, which is how to attract, how to acquire, and how to retain your commercial cleaning customers. So make sure you click the link to register. I'd love to see you. Or if you're interested in doing government cleaning contracts, another way to get to 6 figures, wow, and beyond, pow, then make sure you click the link to register for our free government masterclass. Either way, we have 2 great upcoming events that I would love to see you. Absolutely free. Take out your pen and paper because you're going to learn a lot, and the goal is to make sure you implement. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.